Okay, this is just a real quick one here. I had a customer ask me about the 655 Plus, so I don't have one of those set up yet, but assuming that it's exactly the same radio as this, which I know it is, this is my personal radio here. That's why I have the black knobs on it. I don't have any of these right now to sell or anything, but I think it makes the radio look killer like that, with the black knobs. The only thing is it doesn't line up properly with the mode, but it doesn't matter because you can tell what mode you're on when you just select the mode. So, you know, but other than that, I mean, I think it looks killer. The 655 will be the same. Now I set this one up for myself, so obviously you can see my call sign and my name there. So I have this one set up a little bit different than maybe I would set it up for a customer, but I like this for myself here. So we got the max carrier at about 10 watts. So you can see here, this is a customer order. I'm going to be working with that radio tomorrow. So, so this is hello radio, 10 watts in RMS power. We're on channel 20 going into the dummy load. So 10 watts going up to about 30 at times. Hello radio, check, check. Okay. We'll go to PEP, it's going to do the 100. So here's the PEP, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So about 10 to 100. Okay, now low power, I'm not sure where it is. Let's find out though. And this will be the same for the 655. It's the same radio, just doesn't have sideband. So actually, I have this one set up kind of funny. Wait, that's the wrong dial. That's why. Okay, never mind. I haven't used it in a while, so I mean, usually I go down to 1 watt. You can, if you don't want 1 watt, that's fine, but 1 watt. So here's what it's going to do. Here's what it's going to do RMS from 1 watt. So hello radio. So sometimes we're seeing 5 or 6. It's not going to be a ton of RMS, but you know, it's quite a bit actually, because usually you get about double the carrier. So you know, I'm seeing sometimes 5, 6, 7 watts there. Not always, but you know, it definitely has some audio, that's for sure. So I'll go to PEP. So here's your PEP. So from a 1 watt, hello radio. So that's your PEP right there. So it just depends, you know, on what it's going to end up with, but these are definitely a powerhouse radio. Has a ton of audio. There ain't no question about that. So that's your quick demo of what you would probably expect to see out of the 655 as well. Something like that, anyways. Let me see what it looks like here, because it's been a while. Hello radio. So yeah, it's pretty aggressive on the audio. Hello 1 2 1 2 1 2 hello. But guys like it like that, so you know. Here's the high power side. Hello radio. The key of it is those we're staying below that 0 dBm line as we go into the next frequency, or in this case the next channel. So the majority of our power is staying up over the channel that we're on, and the rest of it is kind of below the 0 dBm, which is a good thing. But these are definitely aggressive radios. So there you have it, Floyd. The 655 will be the same. 73.